So a couple of weeks ago, the channel sort of took off. We had a video that got a whole mess of views, but what ended up happening is we ended up crossing 10,000 subscribers, and the whole team was super excited. It was a big milestone for the channel, and we want to say thank you to all of you guys for watching all of those videos and subscribing to watch more of these videos. Once we crossed 10,000, we were super excited to get a letter and a play button from YouTube. Turns out, YouTube doesn't make a play button for 10,000 subscribers. Well, we do now. So let me tell you about this button a little bit, because this button is awesome. We cannot take a huge amount of credit for this because we took an idea and took it a little bit further. So what we did is we actually just went online and we checked around on Thingiverse of all places. And we found a model by Tesser-Wolf. You should totally check out his Thingiverse page. He's actually got a number of good parts for like GameCubes and a few other models there that are pretty darn good. But he had made this play button for his brother who wanted a play button. And he had intended it to be printed white with like a red jewel and that kind of stuff, which is fine, but that's not very interesting. We want it to be RGB. So what we did is we pulled down that model. Thank you so much, Tesser-Wolf. It's an awesome model. You did the big old sapphire button, which was faceted, which we wanted. We didn't want the standard play button. We wanted this to be cool. So what we then did is we took out the jewel and then we modeled up a slot for an RGB light that we use, because we make RGB headphone stands on Angled IO. So we had these light modules stored up and we just had to figure out how to fit it inside of here. So we now have this really awesome jet black play button because they don't have a jet black play button. So if you got 10,000 subscribers, treat yourself and get yourself an RGB play button until you get to the 100,000, because you know what? You need a waypoint along the way. And if we can't keep ourselves motivated as we grow these channels, we might as well just quit now, because this community is too awesome to just leave us alone and barren until 100,000 subscribers. Plus, we're a corporate channel. We might not ever get there. So we're gonna take the wins where we can get it, and we're gonna pat ourselves on the back when we get to. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching all of this content. Hopefully it's been useful. And if you really want a play button or just want to have it around because it looks freaking sick, go over to Angled IO and get yourself one. Have a great day, everybody.